You want to talk mistakes? I'll show you mistakes. Here are a bunch of mistakes I've made my first year refining. Some of these mistakes cost me gold, some of these mistakes cost me time, and some of these mistakes could have cost me a lot more. Whether it was throwing away used filters or sloppy decanting practices, I unwittingly gave some gold back to the earth. Like most beginners, why not put the whole darn board in the cupric chloride, formerly known as acid peroxide? What can possibly go wrong? Adding too much nitric acid. If 1 milliliter dissolves gold, 2 milliliters ought to do it faster, right? Wrong. You gotta love the unexpected chemical reactions when you add chemicals too fast. Chemistry doesn't give a darn about your plans. Think of the worst possible smell, then triple it. That's sulfur dioxide. The problem was not that I was careless and knocked it over. The problem was I didn't have a tray underneath it. This was a classic rookie mistake, and perhaps one of the dumbest things I've done. I took my wife's Pyrex casserole dish and placed it atop of the heat plate. It exploded into hundreds of pieces. That particular Pyrex dish is not intended for hot plate cooking. She's still looking for that dish. Every item on this tray represents a mistake. And every mistake taught me a valuable lesson. If you're just getting started, hopefully this video will help you not make these mistakes. Now I'm off to recover the gold from this pile of mistakes.